Hello. In this ReliaBills training video, I'll show you how to record a payment. This particular ReliaBills account is a plus account, which means in addition to having cash and checks as a method of payment options, this account comes with a virtual terminal, so we can record payments via credit card, debit card, or bank debit. As with many features in ReliaBills, there are several ways to get to your destination. In this case, we want to record a payment. So we could go to the Payments tab, click Payments, and then Accept and Record a Payment. Also from the dashboard, if you've completed your to-do items, you'll see a quick link that'll take you to the Accept or Record Payment page. Step 1 of recording a payment is selecting the customer. Click within the search box. If you don't see the customer you're looking for, just begin typing in a few letters of their name. When you see them, select them. The page will refresh, and now we're on Step 2. Step 2 is selecting an invoice. In this example, the customer has 3 open invoices. The simplest scenario is, let's assume the customer sent in a check and wants to pay invoice 462. Simply select that invoice, confirm the amount that the customer sent to you. In this example, since the customer paid by check, let's pick check as the option. When the page refreshes, you have the option of entering the check number and then record payment. When you record the payment, it'll apply payment to the invoice. In this case, since payment is in full, the invoice will be closed, and the customer will receive a confirmation email. And if the customer wants to pay multiple invoices, it's just as easy. Confirm the dollar amount paid. If, for example, the customer didn't send you that much money, let's say they only sent you $300, that's fine too. Invoice 462 will be closed with the payment. 482 will have $180 applied to it, but it'll remain open with a $40 balance. And if the customer wanted to pay by credit card, that's fine. Let's change the payment type to credit card. The page will refresh. If the customer had a card on file that was used in the past, it'll be displayed here. The card number is tokenized, so you can't see it, the customers can't see it, we can't even see it. All you have to do is click the Process Payment button. But if they want a new card and they want to give you that new card, go ahead, select New Card. The page will refresh. If we have the customer's name and postal code on file, we'll pre-fill it here for you. All you need to do is enter the card number and the expiration date and process the payment. And if the customer wanted the payment drawn directly off their bank account, simply select Bank Debit. Once again, we've got their address information here. We'll pre-fill it for you. All you need to do is enter in the routing number and the account number, then process the payment. Now let's try a few more scenarios. Rather than selecting individual invoices for payment, you can select Open Payment. Type in the amount the customer paid. Confirm the amount. And once again, ReliaBills will take the $500 and apply those funds directly to the oldest invoice first. And if the customer makes an overpayment, ReliaBills will apply funds to all 3 invoices, and if there are still funds left over, that overage will sit on the customer's account until the next invoice is created. That next invoice will then automatically draw off the credit balance. Open payments are a great option when you don't have any invoices yet created. Let's say the customer wants to make a prepayment or a deposit. If no invoice has been created, simply take the payment for the amount the customer wants to pay, and once again, that amount will sit as a credit on the customer's account until their first invoice is created, and then that first invoice will automatically draw off the credit balance. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@reliabills.com. Thank you.